Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Windows Update with the error code 0x80240020 in Windows 11. So this error 0x80240020 is one of the most frequent issues when launching updates on a Windows device. The update cannot be installed and hence the system can become open to certain impending functionality issues or security vulnerabilities because of missing patches. This error is typically due to the faulty components that participate within Windows Update or maybe due to several programs either interfering or conflicting. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check related services. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, so all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services at services local, and dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung Windows Update. So once malocate mo na yung Windows Update, so select mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic dito sa startup type. So click mo yung arrow na yan and select automatic, and then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next step, so ang next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung background intelligent transfer service. So i-select mo lang yan and then double click, and then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then dito sa kanyang service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start, and then i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then yung okay. Alright? And then after dito sa background intelligent transfer service, and next keyword ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung cryptographic. Alright? So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and select mo lang dito yung cryptographic services. So select and double click. And dito sa kanyang properties, same procedure dito sa startup type. So select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then next step ay dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? So after dito sa services, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run Troubleshooter. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa options ay kailangan mong i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent ay select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed, and the next solutions we will do. So close lang natin tong settings, and the other solution is to reset Windows Update components. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So i-type mo lang yung ipconfig //DNS, so one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter, and successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSS space when suck space reset. So, itype mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space wensac space reset and then press mo lang yung enter and successfully reset the wensac catalog, and then you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So, close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80240020 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.